Today we complete with the cut interface. We get to know how to do a transition. How do I write inside the program and how do I write texts? How do I deal with the effects and how do I export a video from tab cut without anything in the rest of the program's details? Let us start. Welcome to my channel Everything PS. With you, MD. You go to the tab cut, for example, choose a video like this and drag it here on the timeline, select a second video, for example, and click on this icon append that we have learned in the video that is passed. The program will download the video to me after the first video. We go here to the list of transitions or transitional effects. How I deal with the transitional effects. There are many transitional effects that exist in the program. The most famous transition is the cross dissolve. What is the point in using transitional effects? In order to use a transition effect in the montage program, for example, the point is how to transition from a scene like this for the second one. The transition must be between the two videos. Simply specify the translation in this way, and here are the tools for me that I can download if I want to choose between the two videos. Choose which in the middle. It is very clear that they are among the videos. Even if I want it at the end of the video, for example, select this video and select this transition called arrow, and I click on this icon immediately it going down here at the end of the video. Come here to the end to see the transition. This is the idea of transition. So if I want to drag any transition and put it directly on the timeline, can I do this? Let's see, we go here to this transition, and if you won't delete it, all you have to do, you just select the transition and hit delete from the keyboard. Now go and choose any transition from here and drag it and put it here between the videos. We did it so easily, just like that. Of course, here there are transitional effects for the video and transitional effects for the audio too. Here there are titles. How do we deal with the titles? Here there are many different styles of titles. But you have to notice that they are not working here in the tab for cutting. For example, here, I will go to text and drag it and put it in the timeline. Now if you want to edit the text and double click on it, nothing will happen. All you have to do is select the text on the timeline and go to the icon here named Tools. Here you will see a new icon appears here named Title. This icon does not appear if you did not select the text on the timeline. Now, go and click on the title icon and click on the Open Inspector. Here, you can write anything you want. For example, I can write Everything PS in the form, well. You can change the font. Of course. These fonts that you already have on your computer. Also, you can change the color. And you can change the size. And here is the tracking, that is the spaces between the letters. And here also there are font style, font case, alignment, anchor, position, zoom, and rotation angle. Here drop shadow, there is a switch where you can turn on or turn it off to control the properties. You can edit in the drop shadow as you want, from color, offset, blur and opacity. Here down to you will find the stroke. You can edit the color and the size. And finally, here you will find the background. You can edit the color, outline width, height, corner radius, center, and opacity. And you can reset any edit you have made from this icon. Also, you have to know that any property has a keyframe, it means you can move it. Let's see how it works. Go here to the position and change the value of X. And put the playhead in the place that you want to start the motion. And click on the keyframe. Then move the playhead to the place that you want to end the motion. And go to the position. Change the value of X as you want. Now close this window and hit play. This is the motion that is created. Now, you notice that any parameter has a keyframe you can move it. Here you can move position, zoom, and rotation, etc. You can reset anything by clicking on the reset icon. Let's see another form of title. I will drag this one and put it here. Now, we will see the style of the title. Notice that I have the latest version of the software. Now, select it and go to Tools. The title icon maybe does not appear. Why? Because you have an old version of DaVinci Resolve 16. But you can edit this type of title in the Edit panel. And from the inspector here. You can edit here everything. We will learn all of this in the coming videos in this course. Let's go back to the cut panel again. Now, we will move to the final thing, the cut panel. Go to Effects icon. Here there are many effects. Let's see how it works. Choose any effect and drag it and put it on the video. Form tool icon, we will notice that this new icon appears, it called Effects. Click on it and hit Open Inspector. This window will pop up and from it, you can control the effect. For this effect we can edit horizontal strength, vertical strength, check or uncheck gang, and control the global blend. And you can close this effect from here. Or delete it from here. Also here there are effects here you cannot use it for the free version. For example, lens flare effect. Here too there are audio effects. Now, if you are okay with the edits you made here in the cut panel and you want to export the video, all you have to do, go to this icon here named Quick Export and click on it. Here the format is H264 and this format is great for good quality and a good size. And here all data about your project setting like frame rate and duration, etc. Also, you can export it to YouTube or Vimeo directly. Finally hit export. This window will pop up. Now you have to choose the place where you want to save the video and hit save. Now it starts exporting. We finished the explanation in the cut panel. The next video will be about the edit tab. I hope you enjoyed it. If the video was helpful for you, to hit on the like button and subscribe. Don't forget to turn the bell button on so you don't miss the next videos. And if you have time to learn more, look at the old videos on the channel. See you in a new video soon. Goodbye.